So I just got these Crevice cleaning brushes, and right away I could tell that these are definitely going to be useful. Look how thin that is. You can definitely get into some thin spaces with this cleaning brush that you wouldn't otherwise be able to get to with a standard cleaning brush or even a towel or things like that. But yeah, look at how thin that is, and also look at how well those bristles are packed together. They're fairly rigid, so that'll help a lot in cleaning tight spaces. This metal part holds it all together. The end right here is a little pokey, so just be kind of careful with that. But the handle is nice. Kind of a hard plastic. That'll hold up just fine. And it's got a spot there if you want to hang it from something. We're going to test this out and see how well it works. All right, so I'm going to clean that space back there behind all the faucets and things, and typically I try to get a rag back there, but there's really not a whole lot of room, so I'm just going to wet this down just a little bit. And I might usually use some soap, but today I'm just going to use water for the sake of this video. But I'm going to just try to get in there. Yeah, look at that. I mean, it's so much easier. So I would say because of my space constraints here, still a little difficult to get beyond like that kind of area. Let's go in from the other side. Maybe that'll help. So definitely easier than what I was using before, but not a miracle. Like if you have stuff in the way, obviously it's still going to be difficult. All right, here's another spot that has been difficult before, but you can really get into that corner, into that crevice pretty easily. So yeah, depending on your usage, this can definitely be useful. I'm definitely going to keep a few of these on hand and use them in the future. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.